Welcome to the Health Check Pulse report for Azure. This video demonstrates how to capture potential cost savings, provide opportunities for cloud governance, and mitigate potential security risks. The report is intended as a high-level report spanning all assets across all perspectives. The Health Check Pulse report for Azure can be accessed by selecting Azure as your cloud infrastructure from the Cloud Provider menu on the top left side of the screen. The Health Check Pulse report can be found under Dashboards, Pulse, and then Health Check. At the top of the screen is the Dimensions and Measures menu. The % fully optimized is used to determine reservation management monthly savings. This menu uses the % selected to calculate the savings within a budget that allows for the same % of the optimal purchase price. The Calculate Using period calculates optimizations within the Health Check Pulse report based on the time frame selected. The VM right-sizing policy allows you to apply VM right-sizing policy to your report within the Operational Monthly Savings menu. The default selection within this menu applies the same policy from the right-sizing screen based on a recommendation of average metrics. You can choose to filter the recommendations on this page to customize the visual representation of the report to a particular perspectives group or other logical group of your choosing. Leaving the filter menu at default with no selections allows you to view optimizations for all of your Azure infrastructure. For this demonstration, the filter option will be at default. The Possible Optimizations menu provides a snapshot of potential savings opportunities based on suggested optimization prospects. All optimization menu items within the report containing blue text are selectable hyperlinks which allow you to get more information regarding a specific optimization opportunity. The Immediate Monthly Savings menu provides a summary of multiple cost-saving prospects. Each of the opportunities listed within this section are hyperlinks to the Asset Details page for the corresponding asset type. There you can modify the asset to achieve the projected cost savings or download and share this information with other teams responsible for those cost-saving assets so they can take appropriate actions. To get back to the Health Check Pulse report menu, select Dashboards, Pulse, and then Health Check. The next section is Cloud Governance. This menu includes a list of opportunities for resource groups and assets that are missing tags. Each of these are also hyperlinks that will take you to the corresponding asset page, which can be modified to achieve projected cost savings or downloaded in order to take action or communicate the information to the responsible team. Below the Cloud Governance section is the Security Risk Exposures menu. This section of the page is a list containing security risk exposures the Health Check Pulse report detected. CloudHealth creates this list by cross-referencing your security configuration settings against the CIS, or Center for Internet Security Best Practices for Azure. Each selectable hyperlink within this section takes you to the corresponding violation report page containing asset-level details about the affected resources, along with detailed descriptions and instructions to resolve the issue using either the Azure Console or Azure Command Line interface tools. The Operational Monthly Savings menu are right-sizing opportunities for your Azure environment. This section includes any right-sizing opportunities CloudHealth has found for your virtual machines and SQL databases. Each of these line items are also hyperlinked to their corresponding assets page. If you have your own custom VM right-sizing policy that you've already configured in the CloudHealth platform, you can choose to have your own custom policy used here for the VM right-sizing recommendations in this section. To do so, scroll to the top of the screen and select the VM right-sizing policy drop-down menu to select from your list of custom policies. At the bottom of the page is the Reservation Monthly Management Savings menu. The fully optimized purchase option assumes you have unlimited capital expenditure and provides an option for purchasing reservations based on description, justification, and recommendation usage. This menu item provides savings by purchasing a specific amount of reservations for a total upfront price, generally a higher cost of the reservation management menu options. This menu item also provides amortized effective cost savings, projected reservation rates, and payback period measurements. The Based on a Budget dollar amount plus the percentage fully optimized option includes a description, justification, and recommendation as the fully optimized purchase option, but it is limited to only achieving the % fully optimized selection within the Dimensions and Measures menu used to generate the report. In this case, the current selection is set at 20%. In the Dimensions and Measures menu at the top of the screen, the Reservation Management Monthly Savings section can be customized using the drop-downs to customize the target coverage percentage for the partially covered recommendation. You can also use the Calculate Using Period drop-down to customize which date ranges CloudHealth will use to gather your usage and performance data to provide both reservation recommendations. The Burn Down Balance section at the bottom of the screen is an interactive chart indicating the remaining balance against the original commitment from your enterprise agreement with Azure. You can hover over each section of the graph to see the burn down balance details for each month. The final menu item on the report is a list of notices. These include account notices regarding critical, enrollment, or subscription conditions and/or potential account misconfigurations. The menu also includes a list of notices regarding classic assets within your Azure infrastructure as well. As a reminder, you can use the Actions drop-down at the top of the page to save or share this report, or use the Subscribe option to set up regular delivery of this report straight to your email inbox at a time and frequency of your choosing. To view additional CloudHealth videos, select the Question menu at the top of the screen and select the CloudHealth Academy. You are now ready to use the Azure Health Check Pulse report page to optimize costs, perform cloud governance, and security mitigation within your Azure platform. This concludes the Health Check Pulse report for Azure. Thanks for watching.